Are you losing interest in reading? If that's the case, then you need to watch this video. Often I get asked by many of my students, "Hey Saud, whenever I see text, I really get bored. Do you have a quick fix for it?" If that is a challenge which you two are facing, then let me go straight to the solution. During our childhood days, when we came across letters, words, then sentences, then paragraph, reading was interesting. But as we grew up with degrees and then we started working, reading really became boring. There were emails, documents, PDF files, technical reading, and it was really draining our energies. And it started to become a really hard task. Now how can we make it much easier? Last week I went to my kitchen and I saw maida, the white flour, on the table. As I put my hand in the white maida, it was quite a fun task just playing around. Initially it was fun, but later I got used to it and then immediately washed my hands. That raw maida initially was fun, but later it became boring within few minutes. But when this maida is converted into gulab jamun by adding kava, sugar and being cooked, it becomes delicious, juicy and consumable. Isn't that true? That's what we need to do for our words, our text. Whenever we see text, we need to convert them into juicy, consumable bits of information. Yes. As an example, when you read the word hot dog, it's just plain hot dog, nothing exciting. But when you bring in visuals as well as emotion factor into that word hot dog, it really stands out. I want you to visualize a real hot dog which is really warm, and you're trying to hold it in your hand, and you can even hear the crack sound of the wrapping paper around it, the mustard on top of it, and it smells really fresh. If you can visualize that, feel that, and even try to taste a little bit, that word really becomes juicy. And that's what I want you to practice. This way you get hooked into reading because you make raw data into real juicy stuff. And this is my tip for you. Convert words into real juicy objects of information which you value.